After creating your scenes using AI, open CapCut. If you haven't watched the clip creation video yet, make sure to watch it first. You can find the link in the description. Once you're done, come back and continue with this video. Link to download CapCut PC is also in the description. Import your clips. There should be about 5 of them, plus the sounds. I put the sound in a Google Drive and the link is in the description. You can download it and follow along. Go ahead and import the sound first in your timeline. Also change your editing layout to portrait if needed. Add markers to your audio where the beat drops. Use these timestamps you see on the screen. Now import your first clip and trim accordingly and choose the frame you want to drop with the beat. Use mine in example. Add a marker to that part and trim it the way I am doing it. Go back and split where the marker is and slow down the second part of the video till it reaches the next marker. Add a slow motion to the second video, selecting optical flow instead of frame blending. As it's applying, you can add the other clips in any order you want, but you can follow my order to get the exact results I will get. Make sure you trim them all accordingly like I am. Basically, let every clip fit the duration of one marker to the other. Now you can go ahead and export and you should have something like this.